today's video, I'll be making a really simple fire roasted red pepper pasta. It's really delicious, it's really easy. It's going to be a recipe that is going to help you hit your fiber goals, your protein goals, and great if you're in a fat loss phase like I am right now. So on this channel, you're going to find mostly whole foods, all plant-based, gluten-free, and a lot of them are higher in protein. I would say lately most of them are higher in protein because I am adding more protein to my diet as I am a postmenopausal woman, and I do need more protein because I'm trying to, right now, not lose muscle, but I want to build muscle as I am going through this process, and it's really important for longevity to have muscle strength for a lot of different reasons. All right, let's jump right into the recipe. So we're gonna get the pasta started first, and I've got a nice big pot of boiling water. And I'm gonna be using the Banza rigatoni made from chickpeas. I always get bean pastas. They are higher in fiber, higher in protein, and it's a better bang for your buck. So we're gonna use this whole box. Give it a nice little stir. And I like to put my wooden spoon on top. It keeps it from boiling over. This is gonna take about 6 to 8 minutes. All right, let's throw our sauce together. You're not gonna believe how fast this comes together. All right, so everything is going to go into the Vitamix here except for one ingredient, but I'm gonna tell you what I have. I have some nutritional yeast, I have some arrowroot flour, I've got some garlic, onion, I have a jar of fire roasted red peppers, I've got some silken tofu, I've got some red pepper flakes, and I have a not chicken bouillon cube. So that's basically our spices. I'm not going to add any salt or anything to this. I'll taste it at the end if it needs more. And then, you know, as usual, salt and pepper to taste. So we're just going to dump everything in here, and then I'll just blend it up. And I'm putting in all the liquid too from the peppers. Come on. There we go. And the bouillon and the onion. And I'm using this mori-nu silken tofu. It's usually on the Asian aisle, and I like it. It's a 10 ounce, like 10.8 ounces, so it's a smaller size. So that's gonna all go in there. And then I've saved some cooking water from the pasta as well if we need to thin this out. All right, I'm gonna blend it up and then I'll meet you at the stove. All right, so we've got this beautiful creamy sauce, and that's gonna all just go in this pan. We're gonna just let it cook for a little bit, just so the garlic and the onion isn't so strong, because some people don't like that really strong garlicky flavor. I do, but some people don't. So I like to cook it for, 3 minutes or so, 4 minutes. Just let it come to a simmer, let it thicken up a bit. If it gets too thick, I've saved some cooking water I can add in there. Now I like to add a little lemon juice and some spinach. You could use whatever green you want, actually. Spinach, kale, whatever you like. I just happen to have spinach today. And the lemon juice just kind of brightens all the flavors. I mean, how easy is this? Now we have our drained pasta. I don't rinse it. We're gonna add all the sauce in there. Let's get all that. Talk about an easy weeknight dinner. It's so quick. And then this is when I'll add my red pepper flakes. And this is optional. If you don't want the heat, then don't add that. All right, we are ready to give this a taste. Okay, here we go. Let's give this a taste. I love the color. And you can use whatever pasta shapes you want. So good. You don't even taste the tofu. It just made it really creamy. A little bit of heat from the red pepper flakes, but it's got such a really good flavor. And so simple. So let me tell you the macros for this recipe. It serves 4, and per serving is 310 calories, 6 grams of fat, 51 grams of carbs, 19.2 grams of protein, and almost 7 grams of fiber. So not bad for a pasta dish. It's not the highest in protein, but it's a lot better than just your everyday normal, white flour pasta. Definitely more fiber in this dish as well. I hope you liked this video. Hope you learned something. If you did, please share it with your friends and give it a like. And if you've made it this far in the video, comment below with pasta, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. It will help me reach my goal of 40,000 subscribers by my 70th birthday in October. So I really appreciate your help. And for those of you that have already subscribed, thank you so much. The full recipe will be in the description box. Remember, all my recipes are good for you. They're good for the animals and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.